In this video, I am going to share 5 fresh and unique digital products ideas that you can easily sell online. And no, I am not going to talk about the same courses and ebook stuff in this video. I'll share some of the most untapped product ideas that have high demands and low supply in the market. Let's get started. When it comes to digital products, most people mainly talk about these 4 categories. Almost 95% of digital products fall into these categories. And that's why these categories become too saturated. With the rise of AI, everyone is selling ebooks and courses nowadays, which is why it's not worthwhile to step into these 2 categories unless you have a decent audience or social media following. We'll mainly focus on these 2 categories, and some other untapped niches as well. But first, let me clarify something to you. When it comes to selling digital products, the key to success relies on your own product's unique selling points. And once you understand that, you'll be able to disrupt even the most saturated markets. I will explain this later on. For now, let's talk about the first digital product idea, which is to sell event checklists. Checklists and workbooks are practical tools that help users stay organized and accomplish tasks more efficiently. A common example of this is a wedding checklist. You see, weddings are one of the most crucial part of a person's life, and everyone desires to have a memorable wedding. Weddings require a lot of planning, and a comprehensive checklist can be a lifesaver for couples. Creating wedding checklists can help couples stay organized and ensure they don't miss any important details. You can offer a detailed wedding planning checklist that covers everything from booking the venue to sending out invitations and planning the honeymoon. This can be customized for different types of weddings, such as destination weddings or small intimate ceremonies. And the cool thing about these is that people won't mind paying a higher price for this. After all, everyone wants to and deserves to have a dream wedding ceremony. Another great example of this is the baby food checklist. You see, every parent wants to provide the best comfort and care to their newborns. A baby food checklist will help those parents to provide all the necessary nutrition-rich foods to their child, which will keep them healthy and strong. Another example of this are vacation checklists. You see, humans have the tendency to forget things. Everyone forgets something important during vacation plans. A vacation checklist will help anyone plan their vacations easily and keep them stress-free. Another example of this is the home maintenance checklist. This checklist will help homeowners keep their properties in top shape. You only need to do some research about all the ideas that I mentioned right now, and then create a checklist for your target market. Alright, now let's talk about the next digital product idea, which is selling content bundles. You see, we are living in a creator economy, where everybody is making some type of content. Teenagers and even working professionals are pursuing social media and YouTube as a full-time career now. And if you can sell something to content creators, you'll be able to make good money. Take an example of our YouTube videos. My team spends a good amount of time in scripting and editing these videos. So, we are always on the look for more editing materials and other resources, like thumbnail templates, script writing templates, content planners, and much more. Now, take a look at this website. This website is selling thumbnail templates. Here's another website which is selling video editing materials. People also sell social media and graphics templates. If you have editing and animation knowledge, then you can sell motion graphics too. If you know how to use tools like Photoshop, you can also create your own unique thumbnail templates and social media graphics. And if you don't have Photoshop, you can still use tools like Canva to create your templates and graphics. And then you can go to some YouTube creators and partner with them to sell your templates. Let's say you are selling your templates for $20. You can share half of your profits with the creators who will promote your templates. You can even partner with multiple YouTube creators and influencers to sell your templates. Apart from templates, people also sell video editing materials, script writing frameworks, and content planners. The possibilities are endless in this niche. If you can partner with other creators and influencers, you can make thousands of dollars with these products. Alright, the next digital product that you can sell are the daily planners and trackers. People love staying organized, and planners or trackers help them achieve that. Plus, they can be used digitally or printed out. This is a little bit different than selling checklists. Creating planners and trackers are much more difficult than making checklists. That's because you need to have some level of expertise if you want to stand out of the crowd. A simple example of this is selling productivity planners. The demand for productivity planners has increased in the last couple of years, and if you can make an effective productivity planner, you can surely make a good amount of money. But what if you yourself are not so productive in your day-to-day life? Well, in that case, you can create a productivity planner with the help of a working professional or an expert. You can also do some research across the internet to create them. Similarly, you can create meal planners, exercise planners, and trackers. Just go out of your room, find an expert, ask for their help, make a planner, and then start selling it. You can follow the same steps to create some budget trackers, health trackers, and much more. The ideas are endless, but it's important that you use some expert advice to create your product. Remember what I said in the beginning of this video? Your product should have some unique selling point, something that others don't have. Only then your product will stand out from the competition. You don't want to sell an AI-generated product that doesn't add value to other people's lives. The more value you provide, the more customers you'll acquire, and the more money you can make. With that note, let's talk about the next digital product idea, which is to sell business materials. As an agency owner myself, I can say that this digital product category can make you a ton of money. Around 2 years back, I registered my first digital marketing agency, and it was tough. There were so many rules and regulations I had to follow, so many agreements and paperwork that I had to go through, and a lot of government rules and regulations that I had to follow. I had to organize everything. I had to track all my expenses, clients' work, and much more. And to solve these problems, I had to spend a good amount of money. I bought somewhere around 300 SOPs for my business. From project management to inventory trackers and legal documents, I had to buy everything. And I am not alone. Almost every new business faces these problems when they first start. So, there is a big opportunity in that space. If you can create a digital product bundle that contains all the SOPs, different tracking spreadsheets to track their projects and inventories, along with all the legal document templates, you can make a ton of money for sure. This is rather a difficult product to make, and you shouldn't step into it if you know nothing about business processes and legals. Of course, if you have some prior expertise in this space, this could be a great opportunity. And the best part of these types of digital products is that you are actually selling your products to business owners. Once you get connections with business owners, you can sell them some of your other services later on. With that note, let's talk about the next digital product idea, which is to sell AI prompts. AI prompts help users get the most out of AI tools, making them highly valuable for both personal and professional use. I personally have a collection of AI prompts that I use in my work. There are many people who are selling these prompts online, but most of these prompts lack in quality. And there is still a lot of room for improvement. That's where you can take advantage of the opportunity. There are a lot of videos and guides on prompt engineering available on YouTube. You only need to spend some time learning it, and then spend some more time creating prompts for different AI tools. You can create prompts for tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. I've seen many creators selling Midjourney prompts recently, which means that the demand for Midjourney prompts has increased recently. Alright, these are the top 5 digital product ideas that you can sell in 2024. Now, there are mainly 2 ways to sell these digital products. First, you can sell them on a marketplace website like Etsy. Second, you can set up your own website and then drive traffic to your website and sell your products. Personally, I don't like to use Etsy as there are a lot of extra fees that you have to pay. Instead, you can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify to sell your digital products. Shopify is the most easy-to-use platform when it comes to selling online. One thing that I like the most about Shopify is that it has its own app store, which allows me to add a lot of features that I generally couldn't add with other website builders. That's why I admire this platform so much. And if you want to learn how to sell digital products using Shopify, then make sure to watch this video next, where I've given you the step-by-step tutorial to set up your online store, then how to market your products and much more. Click here to watch this video, and I will see you there.